Hello, my friend. Come closer, yes, just like that. You're here for something special today, something few dare to experience. The deepest, most intense ear cleaning you've ever felt. Every little sound, every small movement, tuned perfectly to bring you peace. Relax your body, let your mind slow down, and trust me. You are safe here. First, we begin gently. I'll just inspect, very slowly, every curve of your ear. I see little particles, tiny travelers hiding in the corners. Don't worry. One by one, we will find them. One by one, we will set them free. Listen to the delicate tapping of my tools. Each sound is made for you. Each sound invites you to fall deeper into calmness. Let's start with a soft brush, feather light, barely touching. Feel it sweep along the edges. The tiniest strokes. Whisper kisses of the brush over your skin. Every touch designed to soothe you, to ground you, to remind you that you are here, right now, in this moment, where nothing else matters. Now, I will use a special tool. You might hear a soft scraping, not harsh, no, very delicate. Like the sound of distant leaves brushing against each other in the wind. Shish, listen closely. That little scratching sound is the stubborn dust giving up its hold. It surrenders to my hand, to my patience.